Welcome or welcome back. I'm 𝙎𝙪𝙗𝙪𝙗𝙚. Thank you for watching. Each week I give away an internet marketing gift, and this one is specifically for YouTubers, and it is a video training series, and the name of the series is 1 million YouTube subscribers. So if that's something you're interested in, stick with me. We get to it just a couple of things. The first thing, of course, is that this channel is about growing your YouTube channel as well as making money online as an affiliate. If either of those are of interest to you, well, smash that subscribe button. Do that right now and ring the bell so that you don't miss out on these videos. Before we get to it, I want to share a quick story with you that I believe you all love. The story is the church box. And this is about Jack. Jack is 8 years old, and he's sitting in church with his mom, and Jack isn't feeling well, and he's sitting there, and things are getting worse, and he's about ready to throw up. So he lets his mom know that he needs to throw up. So Andrea, that's Jack's mom, this place she can think of is the bushes right outside the church. And she said, well, go run outside the church through the front door, go to the right, and there's to go behind the bushes and make sure you don't get your suit dirty. That's what moms do. Jack got up and ran for the door. Shortly after, of course, he returned, and Andrea could tell he obviously had a leaf on his face. Did you make it to the bushes all right? Did you keep your suit clean? And Jack said, I didn't have to go that far. As I was going out the front door, I found a box with a sign on it. You threw up in a box by the front door with a sign on it, said Andrea. It's okay, Mom, replied Jack. The sign on the box said, for the sick. Big story that I think you're going to love as well, and then we want to get to our giveaway. This is about Miss Darcy, and she's teaching her Sunday school class, and she's teaching the children about behavior. Little Johnny is not paying a whole lot of attention, but as far as he's concerned, this is all about sitting. It's about sitting instead of standing. It's about sitting instead of running. It's about sitting still. It's about sitting with your family. And most of all, it's about sitting quietly. So when Miss Darcy asked her class why it was so important to sit quietly, little Johnny, of course, had the answer, and his hand was up, and he was called on, and he said, it's because people are sleeping. Let's get back to the giveaway. The name is 1 million YouTube subscribers, and what I like about it is, instead of shooting for 1 million subscribers, which is a great goal, it breaks it down into steps. In other words, shoot for 100 subscribers, shoot for 1,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers, and then 1 million subscribers. It also gets into some of the unorthodox ways that you can use to get those subscribers. The giveaway is free. It's 100% free. There's no email required. The giveaway includes the e-cover. It also includes video and resale rights. You can not only use this for yourself, you can also use it as an incentive. You can use it as a giveaway. You can even sell it if you want to, or resell it and keep all the profits. And the link to the giveaway is https://cutley, cutley.ly/1my-yt subs 1m-yt-subs. If you like this video and you got some value from it, and I hope you did, give it a big old thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. Do that right now. Hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you're not going to miss out on these videos. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Allow me to wish you much success.